Now our African adventure takes us to a second port of call, Capetown, South Africa.
You've been with me to Gabon, cooking with my family. Now we're in Capetown. We're going to show you how I make food, how I've gathered all the influence that I've seen. We're going to bring it to my kitchen table, and I'm going to show you some original recipes that I came up with. So let's continue this journey and buy some fish, and let's go have some fun. Let's go, yeah! Hi.
Hello.
What kind of fish is this?
Red snapper, yellow tail.
Okay. When were these caught?
Came in this morning.
Okay, I love fresh fish. All right, so I picked out the fish. I'm very excited. 3 red snappers. We're gonna get the fish clean and get started in the cooking process. Okay, so first I'm going to make le poisson à la sauce tomate, which means fish with tomato sauce. We start with garlic. There's no need to cut the garlic at this point because we're going to be crushing it and making a paste. Grab 2 handfuls, I've already pre-measured these, parsley and coriander. Grab an onion, cut the onion, make small chunks just so that it's easier to smash. We're also going to add a red pepper. I will take the seeds out because if you have children, for example, it will be difficult for them to eat this dish. But if you take the seeds out, at least you can control the spiciness of the dish. The seeds are what makes it really, really hot. Add a green pepper now. Now I'm going to bring the paste all together and show you how the magic happens. Grab this here, add a little bit of oil, very important. Add a pinch of pepper. Start with 2 pinches of salt, add parsley and coriander, a little bit at a time. You don't want to have too much because then it's going to be too difficult to make a paste. You just want to put some woman power into this and smash it. You can even do this. Okay, so now that we made the paste, here I have the fish. I've already pre-sliced a few of them. And you want to kind of just get in there a little bit so that when you stuff it, it goes into the actual meat and doesn't fall out. So now that we have the fish, grab the paste and stuff the fish. Don't worry about, making a mess because it's all about having fun in the kitchen. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit and stuff it. And after this process, I'm going to do every single fish and then I'm going to fry. Okay, so I went ahead and preheated the oil. So just let the fish fry for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side and then turn it over. Now start the sauce tomates. So add some cabbage, grab 3 carrots. I'm going to add mushrooms. I love mushrooms. I can eat mushrooms with anything. I'm not going to cut them. I'm not going to take the stems off. I'm going to keep it just like this. It's simple. Definitely when you're making tomato sauce, you definitely want to add onions and garlic because we want to fry the onions by itself. Add maybe 2 tablespoons of oil. You don't want to put too much oil in this one. Add the onions first. Add a spoon of the paste. I'm using 1 can of whole tomato. Add just 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. Go ahead and add the salt now. It's about a tablespoon of salt. I'm going to add another tablespoon of pepper. I'm also going to add just a little kick to it, which is going to be our cayenne pepper, just a little bit. Go ahead and add the carrots first, since it does take the longest. The mushrooms are going to be added now. All the vegetables are going to be in this dish. Cover it for about 10 minutes and see how it looks. So we fried the fish, it's all done. We already started the sauce. The sauce is boiling, which is good. Now we're going to add the fish to the sauce. Turn down the heat, cover, et voila. We're going to be accompanying this with rice. We're going to still use our paste that we made in the beginning. You could just put that on the side here. And for the star of the show, the fish, go ahead and grab a nice big piece here. It smells so good. Et voilà. Le poisson à la sauce tomate, made by yours truly.
It's been said that no one can live on bread alone, and no trip to South Africa would be complete without sampling